Welcome to you all to the Olympia Stadion. I'm Martin Tyler, Alan Smith is alongside me. The match has so much potential and kick-off is just moments away. It's PSG against Bayern Munich.
Well, what an arena we've got here, perfectly suited to football and two very noisy sets of fans. What a backdrop that should be to what on paper should be an entertaining match.
Paris Saint Germain, this is their lineup. Keylor Navas in goal. Thiago Silva plays with Marquinhos in central defence. Idrissa Gueye plays with Marco Verratti in the middle. In attack, Edinson Cavani partners up with Mauro Icardi. Bayern Munich's lineup. Manuel Neuer starts in goal. David Alaba starts with Jerome Boateng in central defence. Thiago plays with Joshua Kimmich in midfield. Robert Lewandowski is the main striker today. Not too many grounds that can talk about having two different World Cups as part of their heritage. Here in Berlin, the match is played in the 1974 competition as well as the 2006.
Yeah, and of course Berlin, a much different city to how it used to be. And this stadium has just evolved over the years. I mean, it's a wonderful arena, it really is.
Cavani. Bernat. He's got skill with the ball, backing himself in these circumstances. Maybe a chance on the cross for Cavani. Good defending, no problem in the end. Joshua Kimmich, Thiago. Lewandowski. It's Kimmich. Goretzka. Excellent interception. It's Marquinhos. Idrissa Gueye. Gueye. Verratti. Guiding the pass through. Neymar. Cavani. Verratti. Onto Icardi. Chance to put it in the box from here. Still got a bit to do, but this is promising. It's good play, this. The opposition can't get at them when they're keeping the ball. Gueye. He screened the ball well there. Idrissa Gueye. Now he could play it into the danger area. Can he pick somebody out? Oh, it's come off, and he's opened the scoring with a fine finish here early on.
Can't be too critical of the keeper, but he just needed some help from his defenders there.
Another angle on it here. Paris Saint Germain in front. Davis. Interception here. Mbappe. Aiming for Neymar. And he's just cut it out in the nick of time, the crucial moment. Verratti. He's won it back easily. Goretzka. Thiago. Coutinho. Weren't quite sure, the attacking team, where they were going with that, but the tackler was sure and came up strongly to win the ball back. It's Marquinhos. Thomas Meunier. And they're looking good when they get the ball out wide, as they've done here. Mbappe. Lewandowski. Thomas Müller. Thomas Meunier. Gay. Cavani. Neymar. That's not what he wanted to do. A poor pass. Goretzka. Very good work from the team that's still behind, but one goal away, of course, from equalising. They're looking good when they attack. Opportunity to play it into the middle. Coutinho! Reaching for it a little bit with the header, and that's the expected result.
Back to the training ground, I think.
That will go down as a wasted chance.
I think he's just mistimed that, whatever. It's a shocking miss.
Cavani. Verratti. Edinson Cavani. Here they are, still probing away. Icardi! Fearing the equaliser at one end, they've gone and scored at the other end to put themselves two ahead and strengthen their position.
Well, quick passes, movement off the ball, tidy finish. This could be one of the goals of the season.
Different angle on it here. Just widen the margin here to 2-0. Goretzka. And there's the interception.
PSG having most of the ball, really have dominated possession, and we've been treated to some really good football, because with that possession they've created a lot of chances and made life awfully difficult for the opposition. Deserved leaders so far.
He's cut it back, two for him today, and his team are benefiting from his sharpness in front of goal, knocking the ball into the back of the net. Well, he's doubled up here with his second goal, and he took it in excellent style, just like the first one. And here is another angle on that goal. It's turning out to be an embarrassing scoreline, really, as we're underway again. Thiago. Coutinho. Lewandowski. Coutinho. Davis. It's Kimmich. Thiago. Lewandowski. Now with Coutinho. Good deep cross towards the far post. More defending needed because it's going to be a corner. No supply, no influence for Robert Lewandowski.
Well, the defenders will be pleased to see this kind of shot success, or lack of it, because they really have kept him quiet between them.
It's short the corner this time. Now they've got the ball. Edinson Cavani. Paris Saint Germain want to attack here from a wide position. He could cross it from here. It's a deep cross towards the back post. Mbappe. Successful tackle. It's Kimmich. Thiago. Lewandowski. Müller. Robert Lewandowski. Referee's had a good look and decided from what he's seen from this period of play to add on 3 minutes. And the ball glued to his boots, it seems. Excellent work. Dealt with the danger. It's Kimmich. Now Benjamin Pavard. It's a very good clearance, and it was needed. Did well, stuck out a foot and cut off the pass. And that's the referee signalling for half-time, blowing his whistle, and it's 3-0 here at half-time.
Anaïs, Anaïs, le plus tendre des parfums.
Le abbiamo dato un cuore da 190 cavalli, potente, nato dalla Formula 1, preparato per la guida su strada. Il suo nome è BMW 320 IS 4 valvole. Datele strada se la incontrate.
You don't often get a first half as one-sided as this one. They've been very good, the team that are leading, of course. Here's Pavard. It's Kimmich. Robert Lewandowski. Goretzka. Müller. Opportunity to cross it now. Müller. The build-up is patient. Decision is a throw. It's a fair tackle. Lewandowski. Lewandowski. It's Kimmich. Back to Lewandowski. Goretzka. He could cross it from here. Müller. He fancies his chances in getting past these players. Trying to pick out Lewandowski. Good anticipation by the defender. Now Bernat. Got his angles wrong with the pass. Thiago. Müller. Lewandowski. Solidly away. Now Benjamin Pavard. Cleared the ball. Verratti. Cavani. Idrissa Gana Gueye. Thomas Meunier. Edinson Cavani. Well, here comes a substitution now. Thiago. Lewandowski. Coutinho. Davis. Here's Pavard. He's looking for the cross. Lewandowski. Free kick, Bayern Munich. And the manager, Alan, is making this change here Substitution will take place.
Wonderful to watch. He took those 2 goals superbly well. He's normally good from these set plays, and his teammates are expecting a good ball in.
Goretzka. And the referee spotted that deflection. He's pointed for the corner.
Well, no surprise at this stage in the game that the managers are thinking about making changes. In fact, both managers are here, and we will get a substitution apiece.
Swung in from the corner. Cross has come to nothing. Müller, he wants to pull it back here. Oh, that would have looked great if it had flown in, but in the end it didn't fly very close at all.
No, he looked a bit embarrassed after that effort.
Thiago. Davis. Joshua Kimmich. Davis. Now Gnabry. Thiago. It's Kimmich. Impressive in possession. Passing's good, possibly dangerous. 1 or 2 players arriving in the middle. It's Marquinhos. Mbappe. Now, can he take them on? Di Maria in the middle, they're looking for him. That could have been difficult, but the defender sorted it out. Thiago. Thomas Müller. Goretzka. Joshua Kimmich. Robert Lewandowski. And off he goes with some options. Poor on the ball, Bayern there. Neymar. Bernat. Out to Neymar, out on the flank. They set it up well for the cross. Cuts it back well. But when he gets a goal like Di Maria, it's usually a special one, and that's certainly the case this time. He's beaten the goalkeeper, but only just. It went in off the keeper.
Well, I think it was just a pair on the ball, Martin. It was too much for him.
Let's have another peek at that goal. Well, it's not easy to find the spirit here that they're going to need in these circumstances as they kick off again. And it is time for a substitution in this match. It's Kimmich. On to Müller. Here's Pavard. Joshua Kimmich. Now Gnabry. Thiago. It's Kimmich. Looking for Müller. Müller. Joshua Kimmich. Now Benjamin Pavard. Bayern Munich have some substitutes warming up. Thiago Silva, and on the clock, 8 more minutes. Mbappe. Thomas Meunier. Promising forward play from them again. Verratti. He's got a chance to cross. Cavani. Trying to pick out Di Maria. I had a chance really to put that into a much more dangerous area. Has to go down as a poor cross. Look at those fans. Amazing.
Well, you said it, Martin. There aren't too many better sets than these.
Neymar on the set piece, the corner. Well, the player's broken down now. Well, it's a 90-minute match, and there's only 2 minutes to go. Into the attacking third. They're better than that, that's rather sloppy. They can be quick on the break now. Referee's had a good look and decided, from what he's seen from this period of play, to add on 3 minutes. Mbappe. Just a bit lax in possession. And there we are, final whistle.